Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Mindful Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to give you the 3 guidelines to successful meditation. Number 1, sit. Number 2, focus on your breathing. So all you're going to do while you're meditating, and this is it, focus on your breathing. So you're going to focus on what happens to your chest, what's happening to your nose, what's happening to your mouth, what's happening in your throat as you're breathing. So you're just going to pay attention to your body and notice what's happening as you breathe. Number 3, you will have thoughts. So when you have thoughts, acknowledge that you had a thought. Don't punish yourself. Just acknowledge that you had a thought without judgment, and then go back to thinking about your breath. And that's it. So just sit, focus on your breath, acknowledge your thought, and then go back to thinking about your breath. And that's all there is to meditation. So if you want to learn more about what I do, everything's at manflowyoga.com. I focus on teaching you how to improve your fitness with yoga. Meditation I enjoy because it's great for developing mindfulness and stress relief. You might enjoy it too. And that's all there is to meditation. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.